Welcome to our channel. How to set up CC Vector Wi-Fi extender with your router. Unbox the CC Vector kit, open the package and make sure all components are present: CC Vector extender, outdoor antenna, power adapters, and cables. Mount the outdoor antenna, install the long-range antenna outside or near a window, preferably facing the direction of your main Wi-Fi source. Connect the antenna cable. Use the provided coaxial cable to connect the outdoor antenna to the CC Vector repeater inside your home. Plug in the repeater, connect the repeater to a power socket and wait for the LED indicators to light up, showing it's powered on. Link to a computer or mobile. Use Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable to connect your computer or smartphone to the CC Vector's network. Access the setup page, open a web browser and go to 192.168.18.1 to access the CC Vector's configuration dashboard. Log into Admin Panel, enter the default username and password, usually both are admin, to sign in to the setup panel. Scan and select Wi-Fi network, click Scan to detect nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home router's SSID from the list. Enter your router's password, input your main router's password to allow the extender to connect and relay the Wi-Fi signal. Final placement and testing. Once connected, place the repeater centrally indoors and test the signal in weak areas. You should now see stronger Wi-Fi coverage. Thank you for watching.